You just ate. You just ate. You just ate. They just ate.
My child asking, can she touch me?
My child asking, can she touch me?
Cause you're so weird. Cause you're so weird. Oh, Mama, can I touch you? What? Why do y'all want to touch me? Yeah, that's how they are. Cause you hear her? Can I touch you? What's wrong with them touching you? I don't like being touched like that all the time. I said that years ago. Kaylin and Maya used to touch on me like they used to rub on me. I don't know about y'all, but I don't like being rubbed on like that. The twins do that too. But I don't like it doesn't mean that they don't do it, because they still do it. That's just me. I just don't like being rubbed on. Yep. It's called boundaries. Yep.
You gotta make it last. She got a nigga whipped down to your fingertips, trying that freaky shit. Freaky shit. Don't have to straighten facts. Don't want no strings attached. Just scratches on your back. Freaky shit. What? She got a nigga whipped down to your fingertips, trying that freaky shit. Freaky shit.
Yes, I'm gonna give you a big kiss and make the haters mad.
Oh yes, right here. Come here.
On the cheek. I want to kiss on the lips.
Okay, well come here. Mwah. Mwah.
Let me kiss.
Give a fuck, 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 give a fuck.
Hey, for real though. I'm gonna bite that motherfucker. Just get on her ass. Let her know. You feel me?
Really?
Let her know what it is, bro. She needs to clean because she took an L. You feel me? Huh?
Babe, don't you pull my hair? Chris. You could have pulled my hair. Damn.
nigga whipped down to your fingertips, trying that freaky shit. Freaky shit. They want it now and fast, grabbing and smacking ass. You gotta make it last.
I don't care how many Christmas intros she tries to do. I don't care how many videos where they try to go on a date night and she tries to make him hold her hand out in public. I don't give a fuck. I know how that man treats that woman, and I don't care how they try to put on for the camera. We all see it. We all know it is what it is.
What? Freaky shit.